How to update Zoom for Mac. If you already have Zoom, you might forget to update to the latest version. Zoom has updated their software to use much more security features and encryptions. For you to update Zoom on Mac, click on the picture or the button where your account is. From this menu, select Check for Updates. Zoom now will search for the latest updates. If you get a notice like this, you will need to update your software. Please note you will see what your current version of Zoom you have and what version you need to update. If you are in a meeting, please do not update, as Zoom will have to close to make the update. If you are in a meeting, click on Not Now. If you can update Zoom, click on Update. Zoom will now start the download of the new update. Click Install. The update process is like the installer. Click Continue. Click Install. It might ask you for your password or fingerprint ID. Complete these requirements and click Install Software. Now Zoom is updating on your Mac. After the update is complete, click Close. You can now start Zoom software again with the new updated version. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.